Welcome to Centro Cripto, your cryptocurrency news hub. This is our summary prepared especially for today. Crypto Center today. The market is saved from a strong blow. The SEC plans to attack cryptocurrencies. MicroStrategy makes this decision regarding Bitcoin. OpenSea and a very relevant decision. Crypto in danger in Russia. Tether looks to change its backing. Buying in this drop could be a serious mistake. Buying this dip could be a serious mistake. Bitcoin has fallen many times, but always it has emerged victorious. However, in a context where uncertainty and great fear prevail, Peter Schiff, an anti-Bitcoin economist, celebrates this. It is worth remembering that even when Bitcoin has had its best moments, Schiff has not relented in his position, always fiercely criticizing the crypto world even when his son is an active investor. In fact, when Bitcoin skyrocketed to almost $70,000, he insulted those who didn't sell their profits because the crypto would eventually fall. Now through Twitter, Peter Schiff, the defender of gold investment, explains that Bitcoin will continue to plummet as the recession deepens, warning, "Don't buy this dip." The market is saved from a strong blow. Celsius has just deposited some 2K WBTC into its collateral position overnight on Tuesday, June 14th, trying to buy more time to breathe and anticipating that its over $530 million collateral will become fragile in the face of liquidation. Celsius, a crypto lending firm, has not stopped racing to raise collateral in its market vault to raise the liquidation price of its assets. The firm added just over 2,000 wrapped Bitcoin or WBTC to the collateral, depositing 1,501.76 WBTC and 499.98 WBTC to its vault. This quick guarantee top-up saved Celsius from a huge liquidation, with the eventual devastating effects for the company and for the entire market. Cryptos are in danger in Russia. The legislative initiative presented a few days ago in the State Duma, or lower house of the Russian parliament, passed its first discussion at full speed. If it becomes law, there will be a ban on DFA or digital financial assets for the payment of goods or services. As reported by the local media this Tuesday, June 14th, the bill sponsored by Anatoly Aksakov, leader of the Financial Markets Committee attached to the State Duma, was approved with only one reservation. The document hints at an obligation for DFA agents to stop any trading that includes the use of crypto as a substitute for currency. But the ban would cease in cases established by federal law. The SEC plans to attack cryptocurrencies. The SEC is reportedly launching an investigation into how exchanges work to prevent insider trading. Fox Business published this June 15th that a source quite close to the SEC had told them that they had sent a communication to one of the largest exchanges requesting information about how the platform is protecting its users from insider trading. Apparently, this communication was sent to other exchanges, although it did not clarify which ones, but the newspaper assures that Coinbase, Binance, FTX, and Crypto.com said they would not comment. For its part, the SEC also refused to issue any comment. OpenSea and a very relevant decision. OpenSea is the largest NFT trading marketplace on the market, reported this Wednesday, June 15th, that it will take its operations to Seaport, the Web3 designed for the trading of open-source digital collectibles, something that represents improvements for the network and for its users. Explains the information published by OpenSea. Among the improvements of the Seaport are, it is a decentralized protocol that will support the creation of new functions. The cost of gas will be lowered, estimated at 35% less than the usual price. New OpenSea accounts will not pay anything to open an account. Signatures to confirm transactions will be easier to read and understand. Tether looks to change its backing. Tether attempts to shed commercial paper backing for the US dollar-pegged stablecoin USDT. Tether reported on Wednesday, June 15th, that he was denying any news that the USDT commercial paper portfolio is backing by 85% Asian commercial paper and is seeking a 30% discount. More than 47% of USDT's total holdings are North American treasuries. Tether stated in its latest collateral report last May, where less than 25% of commercial paper backing USDT is about $21 billion as of March 31st. MicroStrategy makes this decision regarding Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, head of MicroStrategy, posted some tweets explaining his company's strategy after the huge Bitcoin losses. Basically, he said that he is serious about the volatility of the market right now. He also added that MicroStrategy's balance sheet has a structure that allows the firm to continue holding its Bitcoins even in the face of adversity. In this scene, he denied any rumor referring to an alleged sale of his Bitcoin positions, clarifying that MicroStrategy remains faithful to crypto. In this way, information that was distorted by the suggestive publications that he would have made on Twitter, The Strategist, is clarified. And here we come with today's video. If you liked it, we invite you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and we'll be seeing each other on the next Crypto Roundup. See you next video.